Welcome back everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to make a Haste 2 stone generator in Minecraft. This generator does require a Haste 2 beacon to work efficiently. I have previously made a stone generator video that doesn't require Haste 2, which you can see on screen now. Let's get started. So in order to make these Haste 2 stone generator, these are the items you're going to require. You're going to need 22 building blocks of your choice, 2 chests, 2 pistons, 10 hoppers, 20 trapdoors, 5 redstone dust, 8 redstone repeaters, 2 levers, a lava bucket, 2 water buckets to make an infinity source, 2 redstone torches, and then just a button to get it started. So let's get all these here. Leave them there for now. Now in order to start it, all you're going to want to do is create a 5x4, as I do here. Then you're going to want to place your chest here. You want to point 2 hoppers there, and then run the hoppers right to the back here like this. I'm going to place some blocks here. And now you are going to remove these blocks at the end. So we just follow as I do here. Now what you want to do is get your trapdoors and just place them all the way around like so. Now once you have placed the trapdoors, you go around and close all these ones on this side here like this. Now you are going to leave these 2 here open. So once you've done that, you can just break all the blocks we've placed. So leave you something like this. Now once we've done that, we're just going to build up 1 block like so. Now you want to get your water buckets and your lava buckets. And you want to place 1 source of water on each one. As such, just going to leave a stream of the water pointing to the hoppers there. Then you want to get 1 lava bucket and just place it in the middle here. You're going to want to place 2 blocks there as well, sorry. And what that is going to do is the lava is going to flow down and create stone, just here as you can see. Now once you've done that, you want to get your 2 pistons, place 1 here and 1 here. And then you're going to come back here and you're going to make a 2x6. Like so. And then 2 blocks down. And you're going to want to go under, dig 2 blocks back where the pistons are, and place a redstone torch. Just grab a redstone torch here. Place a redstone torch directly under each piston there, like so. Then you're going to remove these blocks here. Place 2 redstone repeaters. Now what we're going to do now is set up a redstone clock. So you're going to place your first one here, set that to 4 ticks, that one to 3 ticks, and then that one just to 1 tick there. And you're going to do the same again on the other side. And then place your redstone down like so. Now once you have your redstone clock laid out down here like so, you're going to use a stone button, not a wooden button. Place a stone button in the corner here. Press that and that will get the clocks going like so. Now as you can see, the pistons are moving back and forth. So we can then go ahead and get rid of that button. And then we can just roll this clock up down here. Now in order to stop the pistons, one of the easiest ways of doing it is just placing a lever on either side of the pistons, and all that's going to do is stop them. What that is going to do there is allow the clock to continue to run. But the pistons aren't moving. And then obviously when you want to start again, just knock both pistons off. Now I'm just going to show you the generator in action here. So as you can see, we have got Haste 2, powered by a beacon just over there. And I'm going to grab an efficiency 5 silk touch pickaxe here. This generator does work with efficiency 5, and it is going to be the quickest way of getting either stone or cobblestone, depending whether you've got obviously silk touch or not. So all we're going to do is move in between the pistons here, and they're just going to push us left to right. Then we're going to look forward and just mine. And as you can see, we are mining the stone as quick as it's being produced there. Now there is going to be some loss of stone to the lava, but it is going to be very minimal. So we just mine for a few seconds here. And then if we just step back, now we can either stop him or leave them running, but for video purposes I'm just going to stop him. Look in the chest here, you can see that we've already made just over 100 stone there. And that was in a few seconds. I want to thank you for watching this video. If it did help, please leave a like and subscribe, as it does help me grow the channel. Thank you very much.